The Saris Bones range of trunk-mounted bike racks are a great option for someone looking for an inexpensive way to transport bikes without using a roof rack or hitch-mounted carrier. By using a series of straps to firmly mount to a range of vehicle trunks, the Bones 2 is capable of transporting up to 2 bikes safely and securely. Constructed out of high-density plastic, the Bones 2 is light enough to move around easily, while sturdy enough to carry most types of bikes. The Bones 2 utilizes soft rubber pads at the rack's contact points with your vehicle, preventing scratches on your car. The middle arm has the ability to pivot, allowing the rack to conform to vehicle shapes anywhere from sedan trunks to vertical hatchbacks. The bike arms on the Bones are fully adjustable as well. Black twist knobs on all of the arms of the Bones 2 loosen and tighten the arm's mounting mechanism. The channels cut into the tubular structure that makes up the base of the rack mesh with channels cut into the arms, allowing infinite adjustability. When adjusted correctly, the bike arm should be almost parallel with the ground. The best way to mount the Bones 2 is to sit the bottom 2 feet on your bumper, angle the metal tube slightly away from your vehicle, then pivot the top arm until it comes into contact with your trunk. This will ensure a secure fit between the rack and your vehicle. If you are unsure of positioning, check the online Saris Fit guide or give our store a call for fit tips. Like most trunk racks, the Bones 2 attaches using a series of 6 straps, 2 on the top of your trunk, 2 on the sides, and 2 on the bottom, which create firm pressure between the rack and your trunk. When mounted correctly, the straps should sit at right angles with each other, and shaking the rack should cause your vehicle to rock slightly. The Bones uses 2 plastic ratcheting straps to hold the top tube of your bike, along with a third strap meant to be strapped to the seat tube or down tube of the bike's frame to prevent it from swaying back and forth. If you have any questions about the Bones 2 trunk-mounted bike rack, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or visit rackwarehouse.com.